Hi everyone, my name is Keelan Dutra and I am a very proud patient navigator for the Lifespan Cancer Institute. It is my pleasure to introduce to you today Miss Sandra Berg Medeiros. She is one of our visual arts instructors that we value dearly here. Today she will be demonstrating some traditional origami for us. Enjoy!
So, traditional origami, paper swan, and any paper will do. Copy paper, construction paper, only if it's the really good stuff. But basically you can use any paper. And you can decorate them, you can make black swans, you can make any color. So, let's get folding. So we're going to start with a square piece of paper. Right? Not a rectangle, a square. This is just plain white copy paper. And okay, so we're going to fold it on the diagonal. Okay. Then we're going to fold to make a point. This is called a kite base. Okay. Same thing on the other side. And it's always good to make good creases. So soft creases are soft creases. Okay, so sorry. So then we turn the paper over. We're going to fold with that point again. Okay, I start at the point. Right? And then I make sure everything's lined up on center, not over center. Do not pass the center line. I always tell my kids that's your first driving lesson. Okay, same thing on the other side. Okay, so you'll notice a little zigzag shape here, and it's plain on the other side. So we want to keep this side. Right, so just redo that, goes in like that. Then we're going to bend it in the middle. We're going to massage the paper a little because it always buckles in the middle. Okay, we're going to bring those 2 points together and squish and crease. Okay. Then we're going to fold this point down about there. Okay. Then we're going to bend it on that crease that goes up the middle. Okay. I'm going to lift this up. That's the neck. Squish it. Lift that up. That's the head. And that's the swan. Now, we can add on to that. If you'll notice, these look a little different. So the tail, if we just bend it and bend it again, a little crimp fold. Then we open it up. Use one of those folds and bring that back out. And we've got a nice short little tail. And then just to fix the bottom a little, we can just fold these little square points in a little. Okay. The beak, if you want to do this, you don't have to do this. It's the same thing. You're going to do a little, fold it in and then out. But the head's a little small, right? So we're going to pull some paper out. All right. We'll do that again on the other side. And that's it. And then our swans can play together. Give them a little bend. Another little bend. And that's it. Have fun.